So to add a widget of Whiteboard widget messaging app, here's what you can do. I already have the widget, so I will just remove it and add it from the start. Okay, I also have noted widget, and I also have another one here. I'm just trying all of these apps. So you can just tap and hold, and then you will see all the apps are jiggling. And then you can just tap on Whiteboard, and here you have different widget sizes. You have small widget, you have big widget, and then you just select what you want. So big widget will just basically go on the whole screen for you. Small widget will just occupy like 4 apps or space or something like that. So that's just what you decide, and there you have it. Then it just appears. And yeah, if you have any friends on this app, or if you added someone, so if someone sends you some stuff here, then you will just be able to receive that and see the image.